that of the average white American, and maybe less. A 2014 study by Harvard University and 23andMe found that European Americans tested overall for 0.18% Native American ancestry, while Mrs. Warren's results show she was anywhere from 0.09% to 1.5%. This means that the DNA test shows that Warren is actually less Native American than the average American of European ancestry, said Cornell law professor William A. Jacobson on his right-tilting legal insurrection blog. The 2014 study was tweeted by the Republican National Committee's Michael Arends shortly after the Boston Globe ran an exclusive story Monday revealing Mrs. Warren's DNA results. Mrs. Warren released her DNA results, and an analyst by Stanford geneticist Carlos Bustamante, who told the Boston Globe that the results strongly support the evidence of an unadmixed Native American ancestor dating back 6 to 10 generations. At the same time, the article noted that genetic data from Native Americans is sparse and that Mr. Bustamante filled it with samples from Mexico, Peru, and Colombia. The 2014 report, which appeared in the American Journal of Human Genetics, involved DNA testing of 160,000 people and was billed as the largest study of its kind so far. The European American genome was found to be much different than that of African Americans and Latinos, with European Americans' genomes being 98.6% European, 0.19% African, and 0.18% Native American, according to a 2015 article by Genetic Literacy Project. In general, the numbers seem to agree with that. One would agree, given the history of American colonization by Europeans and interactions with African and Native Americans, said the article. Mrs. Warren's unproven claims of Cherokee ancestry while teaching law at Harvard and the University of Pennsylvania have dogged her potential 2020 presidential bid, with President Trump mocking her as Pocahontas.